Want to build AI-powered apps using Langchain but don't know where to begin? Here's a verified and easy step-by-step guide to installing Langchain in Visual Studio Code even if you've never done it before. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you don't have it, download and install it from code.visualstudio.com. Click View at the top menu, then choose Terminal. A console window will open at the bottom. That is where you'll type commands. Make sure you have Python version 3.8 or higher installed. In the terminal, type this. If it shows something like 3.10 or 3.11, you're ready. If it says not found, go to python.org to download Python first. Create a new folder for your project. In the terminal, type this. Set up a virtual environment so your project stays organized. Type this. Activate the virtual environment. If you are on Windows, type this. On Mac or Linux, type this. With the virtual environment on, install Langchain. Type this. This downloads the official Langchain package from Python's package index. That's it. You've now installed Langchain in Visual Studio Code the right way. You are ready to start building AI workflows with this powerful library. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.